fam? How y'all doing today? It's been a minute since I last posted that video, man. Life got crazy, so I haven't been able to make some content at all. But I'm back now. Speaking of life and content, I went to Japan last month, so I got some videos for y'all coming soon, you know? Daily vlog, car part shopping, you know, and the famous Daikaku parking lot car meet. If you want to watch this video, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification, and we'll let you know when that video comes out. But today we got another car part installed for you guys. Hopefully it's a short one because it's a direct replacement part. No mods, no nothing. And it's for my bumper. So let me show y'all real quick. And I mentioned it's for my bumper area because we got some DRLs replacement right here. Most of you have probably seen this already. For those of you that don't know, these are the direct replacement for the 14 to 17 Lexus IS. Keyword 14 to 17 for this version. There's another version for the 17 to 20. It's gonna replace this, and all you do is plug and play. The thing about these aftermarket DRLs are that one, they have a frost look on the check mark on the inside, not the outside. Also have RGB and sequential turning signals, so it's pretty cool. Honestly, for me, I'm mainly just gonna use the sequential turn signals because I don't really care too much about the RGB, but it's nice to have. So I got these from Tanso Werkz. Most of you probably know them already. Good people out there. I'll leave the link to the product down below. They have everything you need for IS, RC, to even the Camry. So check them out down below if you don't know them. They have both lights over there, the tail lights and everything like that. So check them out. So here's the comparisons from the OEM to the new one. Now, my DRLs are a little bit different from most of y'all because I have mine like tinted a little bit dark, but you can kind of see the difference. Well, this is supposed to be brighter. Maybe I should take that off. It's okay. But mine's a little bit lighter. It should be like light as this, but inside it's not frosted. In there it's clear. This is frosted. So I'll give it more of a little like whiter look for most of y'all. But overall it should be the same. Parts looks pretty good. That's it for this video. I already took out the bolts for this bumper already to make a video shorter. It's simple. All the bolts up top, when you take off the cover, you'll see it. And then you got, I think, 4 or 5 bolts on the bottom, and then 1 on each side. And then, don't be scared. Boom. Take it off. Quick release bumper. The parts for this install is pretty simple. You have the unit itself. You have the main harness, which has the controller and stuff like that, where you connect both DRLs together and then plug into the car, and then it does its thing, you know. Plug and play. Unplug everything, take out the old one, and then put it back in. So if you never take off the DRLs before, very simple. You just have one plug at the very end, at the bottom, that you unplug. And then there's a little bracket for the light, and it's only held on by 2 screws right here. Once you do that, take them off, kind of wiggle around because these little fins looking thing kind of hooks onto the bumper, but don't be afraid, just kind of wiggle around and pull for them together. Remember, mine's a little bit darker because I have tint on mine, but you should look at yours and see the difference. The old one with this 3-prong plugs. The new one has this 5-prong plug right here, but you connect this wire harness to that, and then this 2 plug, you replace your headlight unit, daisy chain it, because you need that for these turn signal, the sequential. The other end is the controller box, and same thing, power, and then you have the daisy chain plugs for the headlight to do turn signals. Very simple. Do one at a time and see how it works, and go from there. Daisy chain plugs into this one right here. So of course you plug this one into that, and then that one into this. Very simple. There's 2 on each side. it should be the smaller plug, not the big one, smaller one. This is how I ran my wire. I have the plug for the turn signal up here, the driver's side plug. I mounted the controller on this windshield fluid bracket thing. There's a slot right there. I just zip tie it to the back so it doesn't really move much. And I ran the other wire, just like my fog lights, through this little channel thing back there, all the way here. This is a little slot opening that comes out of here. And then I have my harness over here. So, quick thing is, on this side, it does not require this plug for power since it's already taking the power from that side. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna electrical tape this to cover it from getting liquid in here, and all we need is to plug this in to the thing, and then I have my fog light. But you don't need this wire, just tape it up, put it to the side, whatever you want to do. You want to tape it to here, that's fine too, but just cover it and make sure the water doesn't get in, because all you need is this plug for the left side. So here's the difference from the DRL. Of course, it's a dramatic difference. I mentioned multiple times that my DRLs are tinted, but the white or frost does not look bad. Actually looks really good. It looks like, to me, it looks like it's when it's on, but not on, you know? Not too bad. I'll probably rock the clear for a bit, but knowing me, I'm gonna tint them to make it a little bit more smoked. DRL, OEM on the left, new one on the right. Of course, that right now is on show mode with an RGB color. And this is what the sequential turn signal looks like. Man, that looked cool. This is what I paid for. Honestly, I just needed that. I don't know if I want to take off that bolt, change it so it doesn't kind of clash with this. I might, we'll see. That's easy to do later on. There you go, complete. It's like RGB, turn signal sequential, complete. It's not a hard install. I mean, if I didn't have to do the video, it'd probably take me 30 minutes to do this. Not that expensive at all, easy to do, just plug and play. So I'm gonna show y'all the app a little bit. It'll tell, you'll get it in the manual of the install. It's connected by Bluetooth. This is the device, it's connected right now. Normal RGB lighting app most people use. You have multiple modes. I think this one has 100 modes. So you have different ways. Look at that. A lot of stuff to do. You can do by numbers, stacking, what color you want. You want green, you want Smurf blue. Smurf blue, hey. You know, less brightness, full brightness. This one at the bottom slows down the animation or make it faster. So overall, easy install. Like I said, about 30 minutes if you just do it without recording. Direct replacement, bolt-on, plug and play. Super simple. App's easy to use. I literally connected in like a couple seconds when I started up. And it's not that expensive. Honestly, for like a product like this, it changes up the whole car when you want to, you know, turn on the colors. Always, thank you for watching my video and staying till the end. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Of course, I mention them all the times. I've not been consistent at all, but this year I'm trying to. I got a few videos coming out from Japan, so please subscribe if you want to watch that. Hopefully I can get that out soon after this video. Shout out to Tanso for the lights. This is where I got it from. Links down below. Not sponsored at all. Just really cool people. They have all your parts for IS, RC, Camry. Links down below. Just go to them, hit them up on their IG or website. Let them know that I sent you. Check out Inspire. We got our 1-year anniversary coming up. Hopefully I have this video out before then, and we're gonna probably do a big sale for our anniversary. So until then, like always, thank you for watching the video. Till next time, deuces.